drop this shit, man. I told y'all, man. Man, say it's going down in the deep. Hey. Hated to love it, but they still gon' shine. Hated to love it, but I'm still gon' shine. Triple D that in the boy face. What? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Triple D there. Thank you. Dallas, Texas, Ross, Martin, pop out. What they talking about? I'm waiting for somebody to try to hate on it. Well, that shit on the Sunday, boom. Can't talk shit. Nigga, I ain't dick riding nothing. What? I did my research before I got it, so I can't wait to talk shit. Get it. Triple D there, baby. Ross Martin from Dallas, Texas. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Yes, sir. Boy, y'all better stop playing, man. I don't live for internet. I act a fool for internet. You dig? It's a difference. Because I don't delete shit off my shit. My shit stays up there because it's lit up there. You dig? When I'm live, I'm live. I don't delete shit because I stay 100. When you ain't 100 on your live, you got to delete that shit. And if you is 100 on your live, you just a crash dummy. That's your live. Pop out. Let's get it, man. I try to tell y'all, man. Say, I told y'all, man. Say, I just play peekaboo. Boop. Yo, Cooking with Love is doing this damn thing, y'all. You hear me? Cooking with Love is doing this damn thing, man. You did? That motherfucker at 20K. I ain't. Woo! Cooking with Love is acting a fool. You did? Let's get to Dallas, Texas back. Hey, you did? Dallas. Woo! D-Town represent. We finna get this bitch back poppin'. You did, man. Yeah, hey. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Do you hear me? Say, y'all, it's lit. It's lit. I ain't playing no games, y'all. D-Town is going down, y'all. They finna hate. Mama, I'm gonna put the D-Town shit in their face. They can't say no shit wrong. What? Sonny Boom. Is that where it's from? Where it's from, y'all? Dallas, Texas. These niggas been like other company. Yeah, my shit where I'm from. Hey, Triple D there. What? I got somewhere where I'm from, baby. Yeah. My shit where I'm from, baby. Triple D there. Yeah. Knew I was gonna cop that, huh? What? 2024, like they say, Dallas, we popping, baby. We popping, baby. We got a gun now. Ooh, y'all better watch out. Hey, and hey, Triple D, we got a motherfucking casino coming to the Triple D. What? Yeah. Get it in their face. Yeah. Man, Triple D, we popping, baby. That's why we stay in your face. You did. You never know where we at. We might be here. We might be there. But say, we out here. You did. All my bros know, hey, he's everywhere. You dig? These boys think they gon' fuck with me, man. Say, we stay in your face. You dig? You dig? Dallas shit. Oh, I got that new Dallas bitch, man. Y'all can't, man, say. If I was hype, man, I wouldn't be just buying shit I know shit about. You dig? I buy shit that I already did research on. You dig? So say, this channel finna go up. You did. You can hate all your fucking want, man. You did. My way, the dumb way. You did. The dumb way. The dumb way. You did. That's how this channel looking. The dumb way. Just like the other channel, it went stupid. Ain't shit changing. The same shit probably was on that one gonna be on this one. Or the other one. This shit my way, the dumb way. So hey, I'm gonna pop anywhere it goes. You did. You can hate on that channel. You can come on and hate on this channel. You might go hate on another channel. I'm gonna be here. The dumb way. Nigga got that Triple D, bitch. Hey, y'all better shit on nobody else. Nigga, I represent where the fuck I'm from, nigga. Fuck what you mean. What you gonna say now? Talking about, oh, he just bought shit. He just, no. What you gonna say about that one? He can't wait to say he just buying shit, but no. Damn, he just bought some shit where he from. Damn, he know what the fuck he doing, huh? Shit on him.